Some companies just throw around the word quality, but at Americase, it's woven deep into our company story and makeup. In the 1980s, Americase started in a home garage, developing cases for the sporting goods industry. Today, Americase is a world-class research, design, development, and manufacturing company that's working with Fortune 500 companies across a wide range of verticals, including consumer electronics, data centers, aviation, automotive, oil and gas, semiconductor, space and exploration, medical devices, and many other industries. We'll be taking an insider tour of Americase's 100,000 square foot climate control facility, located at the heart of the great state of Texas in Waxahachie, just outside of Dallas. We are an in-house fabrication shop and manufacturing plant, offering individualized engineering, 3D scanning, and design and subcomponent fabrication. Americase is also an AS 9100 and ISO 9001 certified manufacturer, which is a way of life that ensures quality in everything we do. Whether it's a project's first article or it's years into its manufacturing lifecycle, we abide by standards that ensure every Americase product is built to customer specifications and delivered on time. So let's begin at the back of the house, where extrusions and all sheet metals like foam, aluminum, steel, and plastics are received at the back door. To ensure seamless production flow, Americase approaches every assembly stage with a robust project plan. From there, we keep our raw materials stocked and staged for each machine. Depending on material and timelines, Americase will pick the machine best suited to process a specific type of part. This helps to properly spread workload and to choose the best machine part combination for punching, lasering, and stacking. In the case of the Salvagnini, one of our most versatile machines, a part can be flipped, cut, bent, and grabbed with precision, following the same exact process each time. At all steps in the manufacturing and fabrication process, parts are marked against engineering specifications to ensure accuracy, and any non-conforming parts are identified and removed as soon as possible. It's time to move to the middle of the house, where we assemble our parts together. This includes welding, fastener and hardware installation, and making sub-assemblies. On some of our largest production lines, the assembly line is streamlined and simplified, with a group of employees each performing specific tasks so we can build in bulk both quickly and efficiently. In assembly, we also have areas designated for painting, chromating, and hardware insertion. And if there's the need for more specialty manufacturing, we have our milling department, with tolerance capabilities down to a 2,000th of an inch, and the ability to engage in subtractive manufacturing, turning blocks of material into finished products and creating threads and other features using our 5-axis machine. After assembly is completed, the product then makes it over to the final legs of its stay, the quality control and the shipping departments. After finished parts are sent over to quality assurance, sometimes with inspections of down to 100,000th of an inch, our box machine enables us to make custom boxes for easy shipping. Products either go into stock for later shipping or are distributed immediately to our clients all across the world. Perhaps the best part about our operations is our floor customization capabilities, because there's a flexibility and adaptability necessary to remain nimble and lean. We designed our facility to be able to quickly clear out over half of our space, allowing us to adjust the different needs and rearrange easily to accommodate different projects, all to create customized solutions for our clients and fit their unique requirements. Our shop team of over 100 people makes life easy for such adjustments and shifts to take place on a daily basis. With our custom case design expertise, combined with our in-house state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities and testing and regulatory expertise, Americase has become a leading design, development, and manufacturing partner for organizations that need smart, innovative protective container solutions to safely and compliantly transport and store their hazmat and high-value products. We are proud to boast a 99% on-time delivery rate. And with this, we stay true to our mission, which is to partner collaboratively with our clients and deliver products of the highest quality every time, on time.